this video we're going to take a look at unlocking the product tab. So the product tab allows you to pay with product, so this means we can set up a campaign and offer a product from our range or indeed a voucher as payment for a content creator. So let's head over to the campaigns tab and select products. As you can see, there's a couple that I already have set up. You can add a voucher or you can add a product, so let's take a quick look at that. Adding a product, it's quite simple. All you need to do is choose the category that best fits it, give the product a name and give it a value. If you leave this value blank, it will just delete the field. You can add a URL and you can of course add this description for the product, and of course you can add an image. So when you save the product will then be available to choose as a payment method. So let's take a quick look at that and what that would look like. So to give you an example, I'm going to go into a current campaign that I have. I'm going to open up the campaign and I'm going to go into the campaign settings. Now if I head over to the payment screen, you can now see that there is, alongside the box for the monetary value, there is the product box. So you can of course from here there is a shortcut to add the new product. So you just have to choose your product from the drop down menu and use it as a product method of payment, or of course you can also delete the monetary side of it and have just the product for specific follower ranges. You can have different products and of course a combination of money and product as payment.